My Easter eggers got an early start on preparing the Easter egg hunt for me this year.
You gotta be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me.
Were Easter eggers the originators of Easter egg hunts? Because they do lay these pretty colored eggs.
The heck? Oh my God, girls. Girls! What the helly? I wonder who decided this was a good place first. Oh, we got poop. Who decided that this is where the eggs needed to be laid? Are you freaking kidding me? 18? 18? 18 darn eggs. Are you serious? Oh my God. I guess I win the Easter egg hunt.